Good morning everyone, this is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today as well I am here to give you something new. So my dear students, today I'll be teaching you passive of modals. But at the very starting I would like to let you know that what are modals. Modals are just kinds of helping verb like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, do, does, did. But modals have got some different meanings. Right? Like it shows surety, possibility, wish, and advice, compulsion, duty, obligation. So these are the things. So just have a look. Here I have noted down passive of modals. So while making passive voice of modals, passive of can be, right? This is, this is active. Active form. This is passive form. I hope you understand. This is active form, this is passive form. Passive of can be, could be, may be, might be, would be, should be, must be, ought to be. I hope you understand it. Now I just have some examples to make you understand. Please pay attention. Example number 1. He can solve. He can solve. He can solve this problem. He can solve this problem. So, can. Right? Now let's make passive of this. This problem can be solved. This problem can be solved by him. This problem can be solved by him. So, if we people talk about active sentence, can means 100%. That means surety. S-U-R-I-T-Y. Surety. He इस प्रॉब्लम को बिल्कुल सोल्व कर सकता है. Now passive voice. This problem can be solved. इस प्रॉब्लम को बिल्कुल सोल्व किया जा सकता है ही के द्वारा, by him, उसके द्वारा. Now let us have some more examples. He may invite. He may invite us. He may invite us. So our object is us. May. Passive voice. We may be. We may be invited. We may be invited by him. We may be invited by him. So my dear students, me that is for 80%. Right? He शायद हमें अपनी पार्टी पर बुलाए. He शायद हमें इनवाइट करे. हमें शायद इनवाइट किया जा सकता है by him, उसके द्वारा. Now let us move ahead. Now next, you must obey. You must obey your elders. You must obey your elders. Must. देखिए बेटा, you must obey your elders. देखिए यहाँ पर जो must यूज हुआ है, that shows your responsibility. That shows your obligation. यहाँ पर it shows your obligation. You must obey your elders. So our object is your elders. Passive voice. Your elders. Your elders must be obeyed. Your elders must be obeyed by you. आपके बड़ों का आदर होना चाहिए, किया जाना चाहिए by you. I hope you understand my dear students. Now next, now similarly we have modals in past. Modals in past. Active, passive. Could have. Could have been. Would have. Would have been. Right? So similarly, must have. Must have been. So my dear students, very often we need modals in past. So there are situations we people have got to use, we have got to speak the sentences in past as well by using modals. Whether it is an active and or in passive voice. So now let us move ahead. Sentence 1, she could have. She could have given this exam. She could have given this exam. She could have given this exam. Could have given. She इस एग्जाम को दे सकती थी. Now passive voice. This exam this exam could have been given. Could have been. This exam could have been given. This exam could have been given by her. This exam could have been given by her. So my dear students, as I have taken this sentence and made passive, so similarly by using must have, may have, would have, should have, we can make sentences, right? As I have made you understand passive of modals and modals in past, I'll be sending you PDF, right? And you will be making changing sentences into passive voice related this modals and modals in past. So I hope you must have understood passive of modals and modals in past. So thank you very much.